T. Why do 100% of people smile when they see baby animals? Because they're just too adorable to resist. From fluffy kittens to wobbly ducklings, baby animals bring joy to everyone. Picture a tiny puppy wagging its tail and trying to bark for the first time. Or a baby panda rolling down a hill like it's on the best adventure ever. And don't forget about baby elephants. They're like little tanks with big floppy ears. These furry friends remind us of the simple joys in life. So, if you're in need of a smile, just watch baby animals being their adorable selves. Trust me, you'll be grinning from ear to ear. What's your favorite baby animal? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cuteness overload.